The Base Pattaya, one of the most popular condominiums in Pattaya, located very close to the Central Festival shopping mall. And this unit is 53 square meters. It's quite rare option because most units here are smaller. So this unit is very good for a small family or like for 3 people. They have 2 bedrooms. I'll show you now. So let's go to the first bedroom, which is master bedroom. We have a king size bed here, big bed. And we have the working place. We have plenty of storage here. We have a big wardrobe. And this is a smaller bedroom for 1 person. And you can see we have a storage here as well. This is the toilet. Yeah, it's quite spacious. The shower. And we're proceeding to the living room, where you can see the big sofa and TV. This is the dining table, the fridge. It's actually a big one, quite big. Kitchenette. And the balcony. You can relax here. There is a washing machine here too. So this area is right next to Soy Volcano. You can even see some ocean over there. Entertainment area, very close to your home. If you drank, you don't have to worry about coming back. Coming to this beautiful 2-bedroom in the base.